So we're given a graph of a straight line. So this is linear, meaning a straight line. And we're supposed to choose the correct equation. If I look at the equations they gave us to choose from, they're all in slope-intercept form. So that's nice. So again, just a quick review. Here's slope-intercept form. It is y equals m, where m represents the slope of the line, times x plus b, where b is the y-intercept. So m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. So if I come over here and I look at the graph, the y-intercept is simply where the line crosses the y-axis. But when I look at this, it doesn't cross at a really nice spot. And in fact, if I come down and look at all the answers, you can see the y-intercepts are fractions. So I can't read the exact value off here, but here's one thing I do know. The y-intercept is positive. A has a negative y-intercept and C has a negative y-intercept. So the answer is either B or D. And so that's going to depend upon the slope. Well, so let's go look at the slope. To find the slope, M, what we're going to use is rise over run. So I'm going to show you how to do that if you've forgotten. First of all, this is an increasing function. It's rising as you go from left to right. So this is a positive slope. So I know the slope is positive, and if I look at all the answers, yes, they all have positive slopes. So how are we going to calculate this rise over run? First thing we need are two good points on the line. So I've got a good point right here. And by a good point, I mean a point where the line crosses right at a good junction point where the grid lines meet. So like right in a corner. And then I've got another good point, looks like right there. So you need two good points. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to see how much I rise. So how much do I go up? And then how much do I go over? So I'm going to rise and run. And so for the rise, I'm going up 5. So I just count how many blocks I go up. And then for the run, I go over, looks like 3 blocks. So the rise is 5 and the run is 3. So my slope is 5/3. And I know my y-intercept's positive. So the answer is D. B and D have the same y-intercept. They have different slopes. So hopefully that helped you out. Keep it up and you will master the math.